service elevator right here, which I don't think, yeah, you probably would have to. I think the freight elevator's closed right now. Anyways, here's this elevator right here. Generator 3219, as recorded this before. This is an Imperial. My very first Imperial elevator. I need to see the one at the Sentinel Office Center in Roanoke. This is so worth checking out, y'all. Another one of the best finds in New York City. Oh, that's door open. Where's the... Oh, here's the basement. I was confused. Step on two for a second. Are you coming up? You coming up? Oh, this is going up.
Oh, yeah. Nope.
I'm not sure if 6 even works or not. This is another rare treasure after finding not one, but 2 vintage surge elevators. We're gonna have to pick up the person on the 2nd floor. Look at these fixtures. This is amazing. Six does work. Floor in here looks like Otis. All right, we gotta pick somebody up at 2. This is absolutely beautiful, y'all. Imperial. Excuse me for carrying my umbrella because it's sprinkling outside. Oh, looks like the guy isn't here. I'm not sure if the basement works. I think this is top drive or bottom. I don't know. You coming in? What floor would you like?
Well, you have 5, please. Thank you.
Oh, B's locked.
Thank you.
Have a great day, ma'am. All right, this thing's kind of a bit busy. I want to take a full round trip uninterrupted because I want to get a full view of the indicator without making any stops. But this is definitely worth checking out. Another one of the best elevators here in New York. I'm not sure if we're able to get on the service elevator. I can try, but I cannot make any guarantee. Look at these C.J. Anderson buttons. I love the CJ. This is some of the rare CJ Anderson fixtures I've ever seen before. New York City. New York City has like a ton of old elevators, like hundreds of more than anywhere else. Thank you so much.
No problemo.
What kind is this? What brand is this elevator? Is that on the crank?
I don't know, but I think it's from the very beginning. I think it's like 80 years old. More than that, I think. Never change.
Thank you so very much.
No problem.
Now, as you let me off, I just go ahead and open up.
Yeah.
Just want to take a quick picture of the elevator cab and show the controls. Sorry. Beautiful old historic freight elevator. Oh, it's a Staley! Oh, this is my first Staley elevator I've ever written. Awesome! This is a Staley. Awesome, y'all. My very first Staley. Holy joy. All right, Ann, that's it.